Hi and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 5.
SDA arises when a random noise introduced into ODE. According to Moses 2019, SDA contains variables that represent white noise calculated as derivative of Brownian motion or Wiener process. It is used to model real-world problems including stock price. As the stock price keeps changing due to various factors, it is needs to model the behavior to make investment decisions. In this study, GBM model used to predict the stock price direction and simulate it using Python and Excel.
Problem statement. Pandemic COVID-19 has affected many things during these past 2 years, including stock prices. The investors were panic selling and it crashed the stock market. Since the world now is slowly healing and so the financial market, investors have to make quick and efficient investment decisions for their own benefit. But the problem arises when they do not know how to do it and the right instruments to be used in their investment decision making. Objective: to forecast Nestle stock prices using geometric Brownian motion (GBM) and analyze their performance.
Now I'll be explaining on the methodology that we'll be using in the project to forecast the Nestle stock prices. Method that we'll be using in this project is the geometric Brownian motion, which is a continuous time stochastic process model. It is widely used in mathematical finance to model stock prices in the Black-Scholes model. Geometric Brownian motion is an excellent example of a stochastic process that meets the SDE as shown in the equation below. So as we refer to the equation below, the ST is equal to mu, which is the drift value, times ST, the stock price at time t, dt, which is the time step, plus sigma, which is the volatility value, times ST, times dWT. WT is the Wiener process. So for the second equation, dWT is equal to epsilon times square root of t. So by substituting equation 2.2 into equation 2.1, we'll get equation 2.3 as shown below. First, we take Fs equals to ln s, then we'll get equation 2.4, and then we substitute equation 2.3 into equation 2.4, and then after simplifying, we'll get equation 2.5. We replace ln st into yt, and then we'll get equation 2.6. This integral representation gives the following equation. It can be written in two forms as written in equation 2.7 and equation 2.8. This is our formula that we'll be using to forecast the Nestle stock price.
Steps that required in modeling the stock price using GBM. So firstly, we need to calculate the stock return from the training dataset using the equation that's stated in the slide. And next, the drift and volatility value must be calculated, where approx formula can be referred in the slide shown. Last but not least, the final step was to calculate the forecasting stock price based on the GBM model by using the formula that's stated in the slide. Next is performance evaluation. In this study, the authors used mean absolute percentage error (MAPE) and mean square error (MSE) to evaluate the test dataset that consists of actual and forecasted price. The formula of MAPE and MSE can be referred in the slide shown. And if the result of MAPE and MSE obtained is in a small value, it means that the error of the test dataset is small as well, where it indicates the good result. And the forecast accuracy judgment scale is also used as a reference to evaluate MAPE in particular.
The forecasted stock price using Excel and Python shows similar trend where it is unstable compared to the actual stock price for both years. MSE and MAPE was used to assess the test dataset for both years, and it shows that the value is increasing along with the number of weeks of the sample. The MAPE values obtained for both years and software are less than 10%, which highly accurate. However, the lowest value of MSE is within the first week period, which shows it is better for short-term prediction compared to the long-term.
To conclude, GBM can be used to model stock price even though during economic deflation. Evaluated the GBM performance using the indicators shows that it's good for short-term periods and highly accurate. Hence, it's possible to make investment decisions by analyzing the GBM performance.
That's all from us. Thank you.